In a forest where fruit was fortune, one monkey made the strangest choice. He gave his away. The great forest had changed. The rains had not come, and trees bore little but dust. The fruit that once painted the canopy gold now hung like rare jewels. Each one guarded, each one feared for. If I eat this, I'll be full for a day. But if someone else eats it, maybe we'll all remember what sharing felt like. And so began a choice that no creature understood except the wind. My chicks cry of hunger. I can't find a seed to save them. You'd give away your only fruit? A full belly tastes sweeter when someone else smiles too. Generosity doesn't fill trees, little one. It empties hands, but some emptiness feeds the soul more than the stomach. If one fruit is shared, others might grow from its kindness. Then let kindness grow fast. My stomach's been empty for days. Every creature wanted more, but no one wanted to give. That is how greed disguises itself, waiting for someone else to start. The wild began to stir with a forgotten rhythm, the rhythm of enough. Our trees, our food, everything's gone. The forest lost a monkey that night, but gained a memory that would never drown. He gave his fruit, and the forest gave it back. Nature remembered the one who shared, for in giving he planted something greater than hunger. Hope. Generosity always finds its way back home. In a forest where hunger divided the strong and the weak, one act of kindness rewrote the law of survival. For the wild does not forget those who feed its heart. If one monkey could change a forest, imagine what a world could do if it learned to give. Subscribe, like, share, and comment for more fables from the heart of the wild. Tell us in the comments, what did you learn from this story?